Hi, I am Chief Officer of Motor Vessel Aman, محمد عائشة. I've been on board the ship since May 2017. I have to swim to shore every 2 or 3 days to charge my phone and to get food or water. Please help. This is our current position.
Hi Mohammed, how are you?
Fine, thank you very much.
What is life like on your ship?
Life like if you're stuck in solitary prison, solitary metal prison, now going on 4 years. You can see some rodents sometimes. You can see a lot of bugs like flies and mosquitoes. The night it's like a grave. You can't see anything, you can't hear anything.
What do you miss most?
My family, of course. I've lost my mother 2 years ago, and she's never going to see me again because of this cursed ship. All I want is to go back home to my family.
This situation of Mohammed is unjust. No one can accept that Mohammed has been forgotten. Is this the case? Has been forgotten on board? Because the owner, he has abandoned the ship. This is his decision. The court of Egypt has appointed Mohammed as a legal guard of the ship. Mohammed is alone on board of the ship with no water, no electricity. Who has to assume the responsibility?
When this is over, what will you do with your life? Will you go back to sea?
Go back to, yes, of course. I am a chief mate. Before I came here to the ship, I was one step away from being a captain. Like I said, I love my job and I am good at it. And my former colleagues will tell you that. But this nightmare, I still don't understand how this happened to me.